Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to IRS Form 1098E updates for student loans. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for the IRS website, which is www.irs.gov. Once on the home page, look for the search bar. Type Form 1098E into the search bar. Press Enter to begin the search. You will see a list of results related to Form 1098E. Click on the link that directly mentions the form. On the Form 1098E page, look for information about updates and subscription options. Scroll down until you find a section that mentions email updates. Click on the link for Sign up for updates or similar wording. You will be directed to a subscription page. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Select any relevant topics of interest related to student loans or Form 1098E updates. Review your information to ensure it is correct. Submit the subscription form. You should see a confirmation message once your subscription is successful. Check your email for a confirmation link from the IRS. Click the link in the email to verify your subscription if required. Keep an eye on your inbox for important announcements and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.